Welcome back to the next project, hanging this bathroom mirror, a 3-point hanging mirror. Always very difficult, but you can see here, a bit of clear tape between the two side mounting holes, worked off my center line with my laser, then actually used Pythagoras' theorem to work out my side holes. That took me back to high school. Anyway, we've got some tile drill bits, we've got some washers, and we've actually got some universal anchors once again. I am a fan of these universal anchors. We can see here, drilling these holes, continuously dipping the drill bit under the tap. This ensures that the drill bit stays nice and cool, carbide tip. You don't want it getting hot when cutting the tile. This will affect how well it will actually cut the tile. 2 holes drilled, third one down. And again, very important just to keep wetting that drill bit. All right, now that the drilling's done, the holes are drilled, I'm going to grab my fixings, softly tap these into the tiles. Just softly, ever so softly. Look at that, beautiful. And I'm also going to cut off the excess that is not sitting flush with the tile. I don't want to hit it any harder with my hammer. I just want to cut it off. Give the wall a quick clean down. You can see here, I've actually put some washers on the screws because these are the screws and the fixings that come with the mirror. We are not using them. They are rubbish. Shout out to the guys that do use them. I'm a little bit precautious these days. So you can see here, I'm putting the screws in with the washers on them. Gonna leave them about 7 to 10 mil out from the wall and just putting a little bit of sticky tape over the screw and the washer head to hold the washer away. Boom, slide the mirror on, find all 3 mounting points, make sure the mirror drops. Look at that, beautiful. Give the work area a clean up, get out of there.